Happy New Year everyone and welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to start the video by saying a huge thanks for your support in 2021. When I first started this channel, I had no idea what to expect, but here we are at 223 subscribers and I'm so excited for 2022 because it's going to be a huge year. A bit of a spoiler for you guys, I do have a new build coming at the end of this month. I can't wait to show you guys because it's been almost 12 months and it's finally on its way. So stay tuned and we have a lot of exciting content coming this year. So on to my plan with the FD. I am keeping this 13B and I know you guys were all excited about a K-swap, but honestly nowadays you can K-swap anything. I want to give this 13B another chance and I also want to give myself a chance with the 13B. My plan with this engine is to send it off to be rebuilt. It will be bridge ported and it's going to be rebuilt with all new brand new OEM seals. So tonight I'm going to tear it down to the bare block and next week I'll send it off to the engine builder. So I've just gone ahead and taken the plugs out. Look what I found. That's coolant coming out of the rotor housing. So yeah, definitely done a water seal. She's a bit too heavy, so I'm gonna have to winch her up. So now we're outside, it's a lot easier to see what we have to clean. So there's a lot of grime on the rails, a bit of coolant, a bit of power steering fluid, a bit of engine oil on the subframe. We're going to be using the CT18 truck wash and also the Bowden Zone orange agent with a toothbrush. I guess it's good for the lawn, but. So I've got the engine bay nice and clean. I did have to scrub quite a bit on the rail here. There seems to be some sort of grease. I think it might be coming from the power steering pump. But yeah, let me know if it is a common thing on these FDs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dry this off, and I've got a few new parts to show you. So here's my box of goodies from Japan. I think it says overnight parts from Japan. I want to give a huge shout out to Case from JDMTours. He's sorted me out in the past with a lot of Honda stuff, and this is a box of OEM goodies from Mazda Japan. This is my new oil pan. Ooh, shiny. And all these other seals. Here's one for you rotary boys, your Apex seals. Yeah. Anywho, tell you a funny story how I met Case. I actually met Case in Sydney when he was still here with his Honda Civic EG, taking some photos of his car in a car park, and next thing you know, he's over in Japan starting an importing business. So yeah, good to maintain your relationships with people. Good afternoon guys, and I'm on the way to Race Only in Ingleburn. I've decided to go with Race Only because Omar has been super helpful in this whole process of, diagnosing the problem and also eventually taking the engine out. So we have about a 45-minute journey ahead of us, and I just thought I'd take the time out to wrap the video up with a bit of a rant. Firstly, I read all your comments and I read all your messages, so thank you. Keep sending me messages because it keeps me going with the channel. So after the last video, you guys knew that I needed an engine rebuild, and I had a lot of messages, which were great. But I also had a few messages telling me, don't take it to this engine builder, take it to my engine builder, make sure you don't get him to build your engine, that kind of thing. When I first bought my FD, a few of my friends told me that the rotary game is quite political. And me at the time, I don't really care. I'm just here playing with my little FD. And I found out, unfortunately, sadly, it's pretty true. Back when I had a Honda, we all got along. You don't have to like each other, but we all got along. And I found that with the rotary community, everyone kind of backs into their own corner with their workshop. It's just workshop against workshop. There is a tuner for everyone's needs, and that's just terrible, I think. Who I choose to build my engine, to tune my car, is my choice. So you guys need to respect that, and please take it easy. Take it easy in the comments. And on that note, a bit of an angry Jono on a Monday afternoon. Take care, Happy New Year, and we have some really exciting content coming up, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.